Hello, my friends. Today, the recipe is exclusive to YouTube. Most people are short of time and need quick and delicious food. My wife and I do not always have a lot of time. I have made a quick pizza, and I am sure, my friend, that you will be amazed by the success of this pizza and its wonderful taste. In the beginning, we will cook a delicious pizza sauce. With the secret of its success, we need a piece of tomato, half an onion, garlic, and paprika as desired. We put all the vegetables in the food processor and grind them. After finishing grinding the vegetables, we empty the contents into a bowl and add to them a teaspoon of debarred tomato sauce and a little salt and black pepper. We also add half a teaspoon of oregano and add, my friends, half a teaspoon of cornstarch. And this is the secret to the success of the pizza sauce, and it makes it a little cohesive. We also add a little olive oil, which I very much prefer. You, my friends, can add butter instead of olive oil. And we mix the ingredients together and cook them at a medium temperature while continuing to stir. Stirring, as you saw, my friends, I cooked the pizza sauce in the beginning because this pizza dough does not need a lot of time and does not need kneading or fermentation. You can also, my friends, use the Gyro ready-made pizza sauce. Before the dough stage, we prepare a boata 28-centimeter mold and grease it with a little olive oil or butter as we desired. As you have seen, we add a little flour to it. Quick pizza dough requires 225 grams of flour. We also add 7 grams of yeast, 5 grams of sugar, and 2 grams of salt. We mix the dry ingredients together. After that, we need 1 egg and 225 milliliters of salt. The milk should be at room temperature. After that, we start mixing the ingredients together. My friends, do not forget to subscribe to Dex, the channel, and activate the bell button. And do not forget to write your opinions in the comments. Where do you watch them from? Do you like cooking or not? I will be very happy if you write to me and the comments your opinions. My friends, I live with my family in Germany, and I am one of the people who like to cook a lot and make sweets and pastries. And after completing the mixing stage, the mixture must be sticky and cohesive, as you saw. Then we empty the mixture into the mold and put the pizza sauce in the cream bag so that it is easy to distribute it on the pizza because the mixture is sticky and tender. My friends, dear friends, try distributing the pizza sauce as you have seen. It is an easy and quick recipe. After finishing putting the sauce, we do the first baking process at a temperature of 250 degrees Celsius for 8 minutes. During this period, we cut the vegetables according to desire. My family and I prefer pizza with vegetables. What do you prefer? After the first baking process is finished, we add mozzarella cheese. According to your desire, we also distribute the chosen vegetables as you have seen. You, my friends, can add sausage, tuna, chicken breasts, or meat according to your desire. In the final baking stage, we need a temperature of 250 degrees Celsius for 12 to 15 minutes. My family prefers to eat pastries, including pizza, and they like to eat it at school. And for picnics and at parties as well. And I also prefer it at work. My friends, when I photographed this recipe, the weather was very cold and the snow was falling heavily. What a wonderful view as I looked at it from the window. My friends, how I wished that you would all taste this wonderful taste. It is a very beautiful view. My friends, I hope you make it. This quick pizza is in your homes, my friends. Did you enjoy this recipe? Write to me in the comments and do not forget to subscribe to the channel and like. Always be in good health. See you in a new video and a new recipe. My friends, have a good day. Goodbye. Bye.